It's going to be getting worse as the day goes on.
So like a braid, high pony and a braid.
Let's do that tomorrow on the air. All right, today though, just fantastic. High temperatures in the upper 70s, a gentle breeze. Gets really, really windy tomorrow. First thing in the morning when you wake up, it won't be as windy as it will be, say, by 10 or 11 o'clock in the morning. That's when it just gets crazy windy. And then coincidentally, we have some thunderstorms. And that's the point I want to make. We want you to know that it's the wind, regardless of the thunderstorms, that is going to cause problems tomorrow. The thunderstorms themselves initially won't be too strong. They will strengthen as they head east. So we want you in Trenton, Chillicothe, Marshall, Sedalia, all the way down to Cole Camp to be vigilant, to watch the radar with us, because you may have an isolated severe thunderstorm that could produce even stronger wind gusts, maybe some hail. And then I'm going to step over here so you can see when this moves out of our viewing area but into Columbia, it strengthens. So if you have children who attend MU, you want to be sure to be watching that very closely, and it gets really strong when it heads into St. Louis as well. After it passes by, we'll see a lull in the rain until this front moves through, and then we might get just one more light shower, not expecting that to be severe. So let's go through the timing of this. In Kansas City, our risk of severe weather would be between 2 and 5 o'clock, mainly on the Missouri side. And then 5 to 7 going through Marshall, heading down I-70 towards Columbia, and then 7 to 11 p.m. from Columbia over to St. Louis. A lot of hazards with this very powerful area of low pressure that's coming through. We've gone over the severe weather. Next, I want to talk about the strong wind. Here's our wind speeds for today. And what the number you'll see here will be the wind gusts. And the wind gusts today, 10, maybe 20 miles an hour. Not too terribly windy today, but watch, just watch this. Here we go. 9, 10, 11, 11:30, we're up to 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts. We have a fire weather watch tomorrow at 11 and a high wind watch that begins tomorrow at 11, and we're suspecting that may start a little bit earlier. Very strong environmental winds, not just where the thunderstorms are, all day until about 11 o'clock tomorrow night. Now, let's talk about that fire risk. This is on a scale from elevated to very high, and in some cases they're calling it catastrophic fire danger. That's the wording coming out from Wichita for this area in purple. So if a fire were to start, it would spread very rapidly. The vegetation is dry, the wind is dry, and the wind is strong, so it would spread fast. And you can see some of that moderate fire risk comes right on up into the Kansas City area. So a lot of reasons that the wind is going to cause problems tomorrow. It stays breezy on Saturday, but it'll be a north wind, so Saturday will be cooler, a high of 55.